Barangay Taraki. And now our guest is a former a physical therapist by profession, but he started early with with politics, and he joined the barangay council, then the municipal council for how many years?
3 terms.
3 terms, and now the vice mayor of La Trinidad Benguet. In behalf of Atimalu, let's welcome Vice Mayor La Trinidad Vice Mayor Roderick Awinan.
Yun nga. So, pleasant good afternoon to everyone, or good morning. So, good morning, Larry. Batch ko iti physical therapy, mas older so na. It's a fine city educational center. So, again, to the viewers, to everyone, again, a pleasant morning to everyone. So, for 2023, your Sangguniang Bayan of the Municipality of Trinidad had passed about 510 approved resolutions, and this resolution pertains to authority for the mayor, the review of ordinances tayo, approval of the budget, etc. And at the same time, through the Sangguniang Bayan, we know for a fact that the Sangguniang Bayan tayo is divided into committees. And so that's why during the 2022-2023 year, our committees, different committees had passed about 380 committee reports, in which it was adopted by your Sangguniang Bayan. And at the same time, naka-approve tayo mo 17 approved ordinances and 2 approved codes for 2023. Again, some of them pertains to the approval of some agriculture-related ordinance, kanila dumapay, and at the same time, for approved codes, we approved pinapruban tayo po dito the Children's Code and the Traffic Management Code. The Traffic Management Code, dito yung po nagdiman polisiya, programa, proyekto, connectividad pertaining to the management of traffic in the municipality of La Trinidad. So dito yung po may isang dokumento, tapos naman pagkitaan, dito number 1, dito implementors tayo, nung yung kastada po magmanihar, di pa nagpintas, di traffic code, kun pa nag-impose po di disiplina, di man kalsada tayo. And at the same time, to sar naman no aping good codify tayo is that we would now be having one particular or single document. Tapos uri man nga sino apong constituents tayo, they may come from any barangays, any organizations. Kung tubasahan naman po the biting of codes, kat maawatan da in just one reading. So nakakompleto amin suna. So na-codify ang amin po dito. So it includes iti man loading and unloading tayo, iti man regulations, iti man pedestrian crossing, iti man obstruction, and at the same time, in baga tayo mat naman iti penalty, iti man nagladabsil, kadagito yung apong local ordinances tayo.
The Children's Code ngayon, Pasay, what's the gist of it?
Again, the Children's Code, orin ko natin, at adult existing na policies tayo, including niya, adult nagatulitan, nagutiman programa, proyekto, activities that would ensure that the child would reach their potential, the developmental potential, and the Children's Code nga rito, tingkas tayo kinulate tayo ako, dagiti man naduma-dumang old ordinances tayo, and at the same time, there are so many national laws from child at birth, gana may anak isuna, gana dumakdaktol, gana naging schooling suna. Kinulit ko namin naging national laws, and at the same time, we put it into one document. This is known now as our La Trinidad Children's Code Ordinance. So this pertains to the different programs, projects, and activities of our children from birth, gana po nagbalinda po ng youth. So that we are now assured that really our children in the municipality of La Trinidad, children and youth, are given with appropriate intervention, protection, programs, projects, and activities for them to attend the human development ng pagbawato.
We'll be discussing what will be happening in 2024 sa Sangguniang Bayan.
Okay. So, 2024, the legislative plan of the Sangguniang Bayan is number 1, to stick with the executive legislative agenda. Ito yung po nga, di ako nagamin nga plano, iti munisipyo kila Trinidad, nga na-formulate, hindi man nagtugaw ni Apo Mayor, kasabay nga nagtugaw, hindi man members ni Sangguniang Bayan tayo. And during that time, dumako ng executive legislative agenda, kada ito yung nga nakalista. Dahil ito yung man na duma-duma na plano apo, ti executive. And at the same time, no nyamat nga iti support nga itan apo, iti man Sangguniang Bayan tayo legislatively, tapno man, dagito yung man nga executive plans, kat talaga nga na implementation. And at the same time, dagito yung apo nga executive legislative agenda are also incorporated na iti man makuna tayo nga municipal development plan. Right? So, dagito yung naka-adamon na apo dyan, nakakargay sunod, comprehensive development plan, local investment development plan, dagito man annual nga plano tayo, annual investment plan.
What is the priorities ni Mayor J agenda in administration of that?
It encompasses all sectors magsikiti. Ako may binsabit sa inyo. But again, talaga nga ipagbaga na dito, there must be different sectoral development that would be done simultaneously. And at the same time, kadagiti man na dumapay, dagiti infrastruktura, dagiti man social service na project, kanda dumapay. Basta, titrabaho ako ti Sangguniang Bayan dito, to make sure na maamin dagiti nga plano, nga naisurat, that we would make the necessary support legislatively through resolutions or ordinances. Tapno man dagiti nga ba nag-apo at na-implementa, kung saan man may kaniso natin na nananayiso na po.
Manuti po, magkasgastos sa po na kamuli.
So actually, timagasgasto to yung apo, iti man garbage disposal to is more than ko na tayo, the amount na kukuliktaran tayo. So we're spending billions already of pesos for our solid waste management program.
But you already have a sanitary landfill na kurang.
That sanitary landfill tayo is man Barangay Alapang na Buyas Alme, and this was facilitated during the time ni Mayor Nestor Pungwan Sr. And unfortunately, kaya po nga sanitary landfill tayo kat napuno isunan. Ma-accommodate tayo lang apo dyan tata kat dagiti man makuna nga biodegradable waste. May pantayo man na namin biodegradable waste, itahan naman nga kanya. That's why we have so many policies. For example, itaman latrine at vegetable trading post na i-impose tayo, ito makuna nga howlback policy. Nga dagiti man naglilisan tayo itinatong, dagiti farmers, alam naman na po dyan naglilisan, kargada dilugan, and then isublida po man na dyan nagapuan na. It would maybe process again into an organic fertilizer. Again, kahit may nga ipakamugar di publiko that your municipality of La Trinidad will be celebrating the 2024 Strawberry Festival. Kasi po iti bulan iti Marso, tatanga tawon, and the usual nga activities tayo from the opening program, the main program, dong bani kabatso, jump fair, dagito yung street dancing tayo, float parade, halos sa mamin na po kompleto maangay man na namin, dahil iti bulan na po iti man Marso, tatanga tawon. So, kurahin tayo lang po di announcement nga may posto, pati iti man official pages, iti man munisipyo tayo, iti man Municipal Tourism Office or iti Mayor's page, or iti man page ko mat lang. No, ako yung kaya po nga nag-follow, i-follow yung mat lang. Because we'll be posting also the updates of the celebration of the Strawberry Festival.
Barong naikabil yung for the program.
The programs, projects, and activities for the Strawberry Festival are already institutionalized through the Strawberry Festival ordinance, which I was also the author before. So nga, kasi government niya. So nga, dagito yung apo at kahit kayo lang i-implement every year, and then nung may implement suna, we make sure nga daman iti man innovations na kung karkaro ka pong pintas dagito yung man activities tayo for the celebration. So again, Sir Larry Madarang o PTRP. Right? And then Kurt Ngadaizay, thank you very much for inviting me to be one of your guests sa Timan programa. And at the same time, nakalbat nga pasalamat na Timan constituents tayo, kanagatilan ng mga viewers, Timan programa. We hope nga daman tinay-share tayo nga oray sa gabasin. And at the same time, kasulit-ulitan ni Garot, Timan lokal na gobyerno sa Trinidad, your local government unit cannot do it all alone. Kasi sa bulan tayo orda po kooperasyon, partisipasyon, kolaborasyon, kan partnership. So nga no, hanman nga kahit yung munisipyo tayo, dawatan tayo lang natin partisipasyon ditong galmaysa, kooperasyon ditong galmaysa, tapno man dahil tinili tayo at karkarong appointed na sa